So this is the latest Fiat Abarth 500e. It's an electric car. The customers come in today to install a dash cam. They want to protect their car. So we basically put the latest ThinkWare U3000 dash camera in. This camera records when it's driving and also when it's parked. There's the one camera on the front. There's also the camera on the back. We've also paired this up with the iVolt battery pack. This battery pack's been installed underneath the seat, hidden, and this will basically power the dash camera when it's parked. It takes about 1 hour to fully charge, and then will allow the camera to record for 960 hours when it's parked. So it gives you the most parking mode out of any camera on the market. So this will actually record with the radar at the back as well. So basically what the radar is a motion sensor, and it puts the camera into hibernation so that it can record for really long when it's parked. That one records in 2K and the front camera records in 4K, so it's a very clear picture.